Hello and welcome to this course. Today we will go where we will talk about difference between CLI and GUI. First of all, let's go to the topic GUI. Let's go to the files folder. These files in GUI graphical user interface we make like create folder anything thing and we create text empty text nothing. It's simply called as GUI. In GUI user can easily interact with the system graphically. Let's see. It's easier for beginners to interact in the system using GUI. It's typically slow. Let's come to the CLI. CLI is command line interface. alias cd mkdir som is something cd som something alias toucs does enter interesting txt. Let's see. It's command line interface. In command line interface we are using command line. It's faster than GUI. Then the difference is the difference is GU. Let's make full interesting full view highlight mode. Wait, sorry, close without saving. Let's go to the terminal, clear GUI. Control plus view zoom in view zoom in view control plus GUI is graphical user interface where user can interact with the SISTM system PSICALL graphically. Then let's go to the term. GUI is it's not GCU. Actually I never wrote GCU all the time. View zoom in again zoom in hashtag is just like a comment in any programming. The graphical user interface is nothing graphical user interface is nothing just a method to interact the user graphically. Like we made something from graphically anything from select and command promote and text empty file. It's gonna empty file new file It's GUI. CLI where we make files and accessing any file, CD, alias, CD, and file anything alias. CD. We are using RM, area, and nothing. Alias, nothing. It's CLI, nothing more than that. For CLI, users should have knowledge of command line, and GUI anyone can do, whoever have basic knowledge of computer. That's it.